Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is December the 22nd, and I'm using my new PIP trigger trading system. This system has the PIP trigger, which is the upper and the lower channels, has the gold arrows as you can see here and here, also has the super signal indicator, that's these blue and red arrows. And down at the bottom, we have some oscillating indicators. Now you will get an audio sound on this pop-up box suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments here, both Forex and futures, looking at my daily trade plan. And after I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan, and I've taken the trades directly from this daily trade plan, and most of them were preferred. Now this daily trade plan, it analyzes the charts from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes, and within the comments here, it'll say look for bearish trades, bullish trades, some will be preferred, and sometimes it's just not enough strength or waiting for a clear direction. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are still struggling. You have to have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now, if you need more information regarding this daily trade plan, well, there's more information right below this video in the description. And of course, if you need more information, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's take a look at these trades I've taken. First one was $0. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Of course, we had the PIP trigger, gold arrow. Then we have plenty of blue arrows in here. So I knew it was going to go up, and up it went. And does pay $10 for each pip, so easy to see. I ended up with 12 pips, so let's go and look for those 12 pips. Got out here. There's the 12 pips, and that ended up paying out $120. And another tool here, which is my FibMaster tool. Once you get it, all you got to do is click on this tab. You would go from swing low to swing high. Here's your pullback. And as a general rule, if it hits any of the entries, it'll usually make it at least a target 2, 3, 4, 5. And today it went past target 6 and is still working its way up towards target number 7. And looking at the meter here, the USD is actually a bus driver. 20% or less is a bus driver, so that's why the market is moving up. The USD is very, very weak. It's only at 7%, and the euro is at the top here, so it's another good tool you should have, which is this currency meter here. Now, if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, well, there's lots of information right below this video in the description. And of course, if you need more information, well, just get in contact with me. Works fantastic, as millions of traders all around the world use and trade using Fibonacci. Highly recommend that you get your hands on this FibMaster tool. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD here. So let's pull that up. This one I sold it, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at first of all. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Pip trigger was way back here. So you could have traded every red arrow. There was a number of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. I took it on this red arrow, knowing that it's going to go down. So I sold it. And I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 18 pips, and that paid out $130. Trading is easy and a lot of fun, but only after you get all the proper tools, a good trading system, good daily trade plan. And once you learn and master how to use all of those tools, then trading just becomes a lot more easy. Now we can get into the futures. As you can see, they move a lot more and they pay a lot more on this Dow Jones. Now this Dow Jones pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says I ended up with 116, so let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Got in at this point right here. Had the gold arrow, daily trade plan. We had 3 blue arrows. I knew it was going to go up. Charts were telling me so. Got in at this point, and like I said, we're looking for 116. And there it is right there. 116 ticks paying out $580. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, which was the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, easy to see it should be 176. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Had the arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal here, pip trigger gold arrow. Everything was telling me it's going to go up. So up it went. So I finally took the trade at this point. And like I said, we're looking for 176. See if I can find it. Whoops. 176. There it is right there. 176 ticks paying out $1,760. Okay, moving on to the last trade I did, the DAX 30. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in first of all. This one I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Pip trigger gold arrow. So that's where I got in right here. And of course, there's the red arrow, super signal. So I took the money and divided it by 3.75 as it pays $3.75 for each tick. So calculator says looking for 580. This will be very hard to get it right on, but let's go and look for that 580. There's 590. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show, but it's 580. And as you can see, 580 ticks paid out $2,175. So another great day of trading using my pip trigger. And I added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total for today was 902. And all of those pips and ticks, as you can see, paid out $4,765. So if your system's not producing like my pip trigger, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. Don't forget about the FibMaster tool. That FibMaster tool is a complete full course, over 3 gigabytes, 30 training videos, teaching you exactly how to trade Fibonacci. Now, of course, if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. And my contact information is right below this video in the description, along with a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. And a very good tip for you is if you're going to buy anything from anybody, make sure you can get in contact with the person so that you can get your questions answered and get some kind of support. And that's exactly what I do. After you buy from me, I give you support. And without support, you're still going to struggle with your trading. You definitely will need some kind of support. Now, if you can't call me, well, then just send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Teams, so I made a link right below this video, a Teams invite. All you got to do is click on it, and after that, we'll have a connection. Should be able to answer most of your questions, can even do some screen sharing. Now, also in the description, you'll find that there's 5 different packages, and one thing you're going to need is a lot of education if you want to succeed at trading. So there's 5 different packages, and I do charge 250 USD for that on each package. So I do have a special. Obviously, if you just buy one package, it's 250. If you buy 2, it's $400. And if you buy 3 packages, it'll be $500. That's representing a 33% discount. Now, if you want to get a 50% discount, well, just send me an email, and I do have other packages that I give a 50% discount. Just send me an email. I'll also put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And if you have any questions, well, I can certainly answer any of your questions on Teams. Looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.